Hello everybody, this is Nirmal Chawla and today I'll talk on tourist visas. The reason my topic pick kita हैगा because we get a lot of inquiries from clients जिन्हों दे visas refused earlier, and when we see the refusal letters we understand that of course something is missing, and today I want to tell my client that there are very important documents and information that they must attach to the visa application form to ensure that positive outcome आए. And as you're aware that visas are never guaranteed, but of course जे थोड़ी documentation proper लगे हों तो visa positive आने का काफ़ी अच्छा chance होता है. So सब तो first and foremost thing that you must understand is that एक तो थोड़ा passport valid होए, and passport दी जिड़ी duration है should be valid for more than 6 months, and that 6 month I would say जब तुसी किसी country जाके बाहर आना तब तक valid होना जरूरी है. So validity you must check before you apply for your tourist visa. And even if you're applying for a tourist visa to Canada, जिन्ना थोड़ा duration of the passport is there उन्ना थोड़ा valid of sticker valid होएगा. So अगर थोड़ा visa जल्दी अगर थोड़ा passport जल्दी ड्यूरेशन काटेगी या 1 साल या 1.5 साल का वैलिड है उन्होंने पहले रिन्यू करा के फिर कैनेडा अप्लाई करो, सो दैट यू कैन गेट अ 10 year स्टिकर स्टैम्प्ड ऑन योर पासपोर्ट. So as we are talking about important documentation, of course सब तो most important documentation is that you must attach your income tax returns with valid proof. Valid proof in the sense that जेड़ा business तुसी कर रहे हो, so you can attach a GST number or you can attach current bank account statement. And why I say this you must attach is because most of the refusals that we see उधर लिखे आंदा strong incentives to return to your home country. So if you have a proper valid business, so that's a valid proof that तुसी अपना business take over करना होगे. Second, what is required is that you must attach your valid bank balance statement. Now on an average, if you're applying for a single visa application, so 6 to 8 lakh rupees चल जाता है. But if you're applying with your spouse, about 10 to 12 lakh rupees. If you're applying with your children, so थोड़ा ज़्यादा बैंक बैलेंस दिखाओ. इधर बीच थोड़ी FDRs भी इंक्लूड हो सकती हैं. And of course, duration of your bank balance statement will vary from country to country. Some countries take 1 day old statement. कई countries 3 months ही मांगते हैं, कई countries 6 month ही bank statement मांगती हैं. So this you can attach, but you must attach, again I'm saying, proof of business. You must attach that. जे तुसी एग्रीकल्चर बैकग्राउंड देगे तो जे फॉर्म्स अटैच करो. जे थोड़ा डेयरी फार्म है तो देन यू मस्ट अटैच अ डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रॉम अ वेटनरी डॉक्टर जेड़ा जस्टिफाई और गिव्स अ प्रूफ दैट यू एक्चुअली रनिंग अ डेयरी फार्म, यू आर इनटू डेयरी फार्मिंग बिजनेस. सो इस तो अलावा जी अनदर थिंग दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज योर आइटनरी. योर आइटनरी शुड बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर. ईदर यू शुड हैव अ an invitation letter from your relative, friend or anybody who's inviting you across that country, or you should have a hotel booking. So ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ. ਤੇ ਜਦ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਅਪਰੂਵ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ you should travel to the destination ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਫਾਰਮ ਭਰਿਆ ਆ. Let's suppose ਤੁਸੀਂ you filled up the application form and mentioning that you're going to visit a friend in Toronto, and suddenly you take a flight from Montreal. So definitely Montreal the जेडी immigration वाले they उन्होंने suspicious हो जाते हैं, and they will ask you कि application form तुसी Toronto पर what are you doing in Montreal. Similar is the case with US as well, or whenever country that you are going. If you're going to Melbourne and you're getting down in Sydney, so whenever you are at the immigration line, once you punch in your number, your passport number, उन्होंने को जेडे application form तुसी जमा किया था वो सारा खुल जाता है along with the proof. So itinerary there not travel karo. Don't try and go to another state, or don't try to land at another state of that same country. And last but the least, what I will tell my clients is that whenever you are flying, take a travel insurance. We advise all our clients to take a travel insurance. See, आप issue करते हैं office तो. So why I say travel insurance must, because जे तुसी बीमार हो जाओ उतने hospitalization is very very expensive. So you must carry a travel insurance with you. And if you like what I'm saying, subscribe us. Keep in touch with us. We keep updating on student visas or other any immigration changes that are coming in. And we look forward to see you back on the channel. And our numbers are mentioned below. And in case you want the list of documents, you can call up Miss Poonam on 98763 66799. And we look forward to see you. Thank you. Bye bye.